Lumière, which means French for light, is actually a really great project that we've been working on for several years now. And we're really excited and proud to deliver this project to downtown Pittsburgh. My name is Lucas Piatt. I am the president of Millcraft Investments and also Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. There has not been a project, a high-rise condo building built in downtown in over 10 years. So we're very excited to deliver this project. We've really selected a fantastic group of architects, interior designers, contractors to deliver this project. And we really want to deliver to our clients a beautiful luxury experience. We want to give them state-of-the-art appliances, state-of-the-art technology within the building, a great package of amenities. And it's exciting that we're pairing Millcraft, our development company, with the great global firepower in the global marketing company, Sotheby's International Realty. It's really a great combination. Deliveries on Lumière are starting late summer of 2019. So you see now we have a crane that's built. Steel is ordered. It's arriving. There are people working on the site right now, so we're making great progress. So we've really assembled a world-class team of architects, engineers, marketing, advertising, interior designers. We really wanted this to be one of the best buildings in downtown, not just the day that it's built, but we wanted it to be sustainable and moving into the future. And that's another thing that's really important to us, is sustainability. This building is built to LEED specifications, so it will be a green building and it will be sustainable. That's something that's very important for us, not just to be economically sustainable, but environmentally. Use as little energy as possible in the operations of your buildings and try to use recycled materials, quality materials, and really just do it in the right way. And this is what it's really about. This is a lifestyle. It's living in the heart of the city, walking to work, walking to the theater, walking to the many great restaurants. I mean, we win accolade after accolade in reference to our culture district and our food scene here in Pittsburgh. So to really know that you start with a vision and you think about what this is going to be at the end of the day, and then to see the crane, and to know that we're going vertical on this project, and to know that people are going to live in this building and call it home, it's personally rewarding to deliver that for people.